Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good margarita pizza. First, let's talk about the base. Start with a good quality pizza dough, whether you make it yourself or buy it. Gently stretch the dough to about 1/4 inch thick, creating a nice round. Make sure to lightly flour your surface to keep the dough from sticking. This foundation is key to a delicious pizza. Next, we move to the sauce and cheese. Spread a thin, even layer of simple San Marzano tomato sauce over your prepared dough. Then, tear fresh mozzarella cheese into small pieces and distribute them evenly. A little goes a long way for that authentic taste. Finish with a pinch of sea salt and a drizzle of good quality, extra virgin olive oil. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or steel inside for optimal crispiness. Carefully transfer your pizza to the hot stone. Bake for about 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden and the cheese is bubbly. Once out of the oven, immediately scatter fresh basil leaves over the top. Finally, it's time to enjoy your masterpiece. Let the pizza rest for about 2 minutes after baking. This helps the cheese set perfectly. Then, use a sharp pizza cutter to slice it into 8 equal pieces. Serve immediately and savor the fresh, simple flavors of your homemade margarita pizza. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.